Hi, it's me again. It is currently nighttime and it's time to go to sleep. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do for my skincare routine. The first part that I use is my vitamin C facial cleanser. It has aloe vera, green tea, and seaweed. This shiz is the bomb. The reason why I love it is because it has vitamin C and helps to brighten the skin. So brightening the skin is gonna help you when you apply your makeup and your skincare. So sometimes, have you ever seen those gorgeous, beautiful Instagram models that their skin is just so brightening and it just looks so fresh? They're probably using either vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. All those three ingredients is gonna bring out the natural brightness in your skin. But first step is I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse. I only need a little bit, so that's actually too much. But I only need this much. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rub it in my hands. And the nice thing is that it's a foaming cleanser. So again, I'm just gonna put it all over my skin, and then you can put it all over your eyes as well. Not your eyeballs, but you know, close your eyes and then rub it in. And then if you need more water, go ahead and add more water. But it's a really nice cleanser because it's foaming, but it's also creamy. So sometimes some of those foaming cleansers, they're too stimulating on the skin. But this one is also creamy, so it really helps for those people with dry skin. And you can smell the aloe vera, it smells pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and then I'll be back. Okay, so I got off all the makeup. One thing I'll definitely tell you guys, you can take this as in a good way or a bad way, whatever, but this Revlon lipstick is still on. And it is one of the best lipsticks ever for long wear, but it won't come off. So it's fine, I love it. I'd rather have a long-lasting lipstick than one that comes right off. So the next one I use is the vitamin C and E serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. It's hyaluronic acid. It's just gonna help my skin feel plump, and it's also gonna let it keep the hydration. And collagen is what makes you have that plump, firm skin. As you age, you lose that firmness and that plumpness. So if you've ever seen a baby, have you ever seen like how cute their cheeks are, and every time you squish them they just go right back and they look so full? That's because they're full of hyaluronic acid. And then compare that to someone that's older, they don't have that. The next one is I'm going to use my day and night cream, and it also has hyaluronic acid, snail extract, which is actually really good for your skin, and green tea to help it regenerate faster. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. Make sure you get underneath the eyes. Be gentle. And then I bring it down to the neck. And that's my skincare routine. So I try and do that every morning and night, but sometimes it's impossible, especially when you go out on the weekends and you party. So sometimes we don't have time to do that, but definitely do it when you have time, because your skin is the most important part, and if you don't have nice skin, your makeup's not gonna go out well, and you don't want to be that cakey person. So follow these steps to get good skin. And let me know if you guys have any questions about skincare, aesthetics, anything like that. Thanks, guys.